Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car. Today, we're diving deep into something unexpected yet exciting, the rebirth of an icon, the Tata Nano 2025. Yes, the car that once redefined affordability in India, is making a comeback, but this time with a modern twist. Is it just nostalgia? Or does Tata have something revolutionary up its sleeve? Stay tuned as we uncover every detail of this upcoming budget-friendly hatchback. Background legacy. Let's rewind to 2008, when Tata Motors launched the Nano, touted as the world's cheapest car. It was an ambitious project, aiming to provide a safe and affordable four-wheeler alternative to two-wheelers. While it created a global buzz, the Nano faced several challenging marketing issues, safety concerns, and shifting consumer preferences. Eventually, Tata pulled the plug in 2018. But fast forward to 2025, and the Nano is set to return. This time, it's not just about affordability, it's about modern urban mobility, smart technology, and sustainability. So, what's changed? Design. Exterior. The 2025 Tata Nano looks nothing like its predecessor. Gone is the boxy, minimalist shape. Instead, Tata has embraced a futuristic yet compact design to make the Nano more appealing to the urban commuter. The front fascia gets a sleek, aerodynamic look with sharp LED DRLs, a closed-off grille, and a modern bumper design. The side profile retains the signature compact stance but with larger wheels, sculpted body lines, and flush door handles for an upmarket feel. The rear features connected LED tail lamps, a spoiler, and a reworked bumper that gives the car a sporty touch. One of the biggest upgrades, a sunroof. Yes, you heard that right. The 2025 Nano might come with an electric sunroof, a first in this segment, making it one of the most affordable cars with this premium feature. Interior features. Step inside, and you'll instantly realize this is not the old Nano. Tata has taken inspiration from its premium models, like the Nexon and Punch, to create a tech-savvy and comfortable cabin. The dashboard features a floating touchscreen infotainment system, likely around 7 to 9 inches, with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support. The instrument cluster is fully digital, providing a futuristic and customizable display. Tata might even offer connected car technology, voice commands, and auto updates, making the Nano a smart city car. Despite its small size, the Nano 2025 is expected to offer a spacious cabin with better ergonomics, premium fabric upholstery, and improved sound insulation. The seats are redesigned for better comfort, and the rear space, though compact, is expected to be more practical for short city rides. And let's not forget safety. Tata is likely to equip the Nano with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, a high-strength body structure, and even escape in higher variants. Engine performance. Now, this is where things get really interesting. Will Tata stick to a petrol engine? Or is there a surprise in store? Reports suggest the Nano 2025 could come in two versions. 1. A petrol variant. If Tata offers a petrol version, it will likely be powered by a 1.0 litres or 800cc naturally aspirated engine, producing around 50-60 bhp with a 5-speed manual and an optional AMT. Given Tata's recent focus on performance, we can expect a peppy city ride with great fuel efficiency of around 22 to 25 km/L. 2. An electric variant, Nano F. Given the growing F trend and Tata's success with the Tiago F and Tigor F, an electric Nano makes a lot of sense. If launched, the Nano F could feature a 17 to 22 kWh battery pack, offering a range of 200 to 250 km on a single charge. It will likely support fast charging, taking around 60 minutes to reach 80%, making it perfect for urban use. This would position the Nano F as India's most affordable electric car, giving tough competition to budget Fs like the MG Comet, Citroën A-C3, and upcoming Maruti Fs. Driving comfort. A major complaint about the old Nano was its ride quality and handling. Tata has surely worked on this, and the 2025 model is expected to feature better suspension tuning for Indian roads, larger wheels, possibly 13 or 14 inches, for improved stability, refined NVH levels for a quieter cabin, electric power steering, EPS, for effortless city driving. With a lightweight body and improved aerodynamics, the new Nano will likely feel much more stable and comfortable, even on highways. Pricing competition. Now, the big question: how much will the Tata Nano 2025 cost? If Tata positions the petrol variant aggressively, we could see a price tag of a superscript 13.54.5 lakh, ex-showroom, making it a perfect entry-level city car. For the F variant, pricing is crucial. If Tata manages to price it around a superscript 156 lakh, ex-showroom, it will be the most affordable F in India, undercutting many rivals. The Nano 2025 will go up against cars like Maruti Alto K10, Renault Kwid, upcoming Hyundai Casper, MG Comet. For the F version, if priced well, the Nano has the potential to disrupt the market once again, just like it aimed to do back in 2008. Final thoughts: say, should you buy one? So, is the 2025 Tata Nano worth the hype? Well, Tata has clearly reinvented the Nano into a modern, tech-loaded, and eco-friendly car that caters to today's urban commuter. If you're looking for Idiaris Cedilla, an affordable, fuel-efficient hatchback for city use, Idiaris Cedilla, a budget-friendly F with modern tech, Idiaris Cedilla, a stylish, feature-loaded small car, then the Tata Nano 2025 could be a game-changer for you. But if you need more power, highway performance, or a spacious family car, you might want to explore other options. Closing: what do you think about the Tata Nano 2025? Would you buy one? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your channel name for more exciting car reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Eths. Please subscribe to my channel and share.